man. Good luck today. You nervous?
A little. I still have to go to get my stuff before the test. Dad, could you make me breakfast?
No, Billy, get your own breakfast.
Dad, I'm in a little bit of a hurry and you made breakfast for Bob.
Well, he deserves it. Get here earlier next time.
Hey man, don't feel too bad if you fail again.
Thanks for the encouragement. Yep.
Hey, your SATs are today.
Yeah, I'm running a little late.
You nervous?
Little. My family really wants me to do it on the first time.
So,
Yeah.
how is he, by the way?
He's doing well. He is going to be studying economics at NYU.
Well, good luck.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She would.
Greetings, young one. I am Lord Pelagius the Wise. Welcome to my humble domain by the creek. While you are here, you must face the test. And if you succeed, you will obtain what you need. You must overcome what you fear most and succeed in the face of oblivion. What is your name?
I'm Billy. Billy McAckle. I'm here for the special water of this holy creek.
Why should you get this water?
I need it for the SAT. It makes the math test impassable.
By my gnarled roots, will fight the monster that resides in this river. He will be your fears realized. Good luck. You passed my first test, Billy. But are you prepared for what's to come?
Cancelled? Shit.
I've got you right where I want you, Billy.